the Echo EVL 290 and the Stihl 12012 AV. And of course the Stihl 025. Then I do a startup with the Echo 290. Alright, save a little work for the Stihl 12 AV. But this was very satisfying. Started on the first pull after I started it on the car side 45 minutes ago. Then it's time for the 012 Stihl. Something happened with the pre-start here, like it jammed up, but no big deal to fix that. I don't have the screwdriver with me here today, but it's a kind of a bad omen on this chainsaw, which I thought was so perfect. It should be regulated down a little, I realize. Yeah, the wire something got stuck. Too bad, because I was going to show this film to sell it, and now things happening. Well, maybe I take it up to the car and take a look. But it lost the knob here. But I have a lot of spare parts for that chainsaw, so no big deal. But then I wait out that 012 Stihl and start this 025 to finish the job here. I turned it wrong way. I put the choke on instead of stopping it. So then I drowned it a little bit, but it's quickly recovered. Stihl 25, strong enough for this job. With a very good chain, 050, 38, 14 inch. Hesitates sometimes when the log is jamming, but this is a spruce. Somewhere has big branches, so it's a tough job to split it. want to start. It must have drowned for some reason. Tried to give it full throttle to give it an anti-drown remedy, but it didn't work. So what I did, I of course aired it. I breathed a little on the spark plug, dried a little on my clothes, and now I have been airing the chainsaw a little, and hopefully it starts right up again now. Why not? It's about 12 degrees outside, I would guess. And they chainsaws, they like more cold weather. That was all it took. So I go down there and finish the small little cut that I need to do to make it all finished. A last thing, I took off the handle and inspected why the pre-starter didn't work or made a malfunction. I guess there is a spring somehow missing there, so now it doesn't have the pre-starter. I simply took it off, so now it's back on low position. It's not locked in pre-start position. So what I wanted to do and demonstrate is that I'm going to adjust it to show that it's idle nice and good. I want to adjust the idle. I think that's okay. Nice, good chainsaw. Like this model, and I like this color better than the orange version. They have this in a totally orange color too. At least they have a 011 in orange. I guess they have a 012 too in orange color, fully color like this. That is not so nice in the design. This is more the Stihl color, I would say. And I also had Stihl 010 and also have 009 with the top handle. Cool, very nice chainsaws. Then I say subscribe if you want, and bye bye. This was another chainsaw day. Then I finally came home, and I'm going to fix this back handle. I have spare parts, so the pre-starter was hung up on this one, so I quickly going to fix that. Should be no problem. There is the pre-start button. There it is. This is working. 4 screws, and that is off. And then I put it on here where is a dysfunction, doesn't work. Well, this become almost a chainsaw diary, a chainsaw blog. Yeah, the spring fall off there. Doesn't matter.